Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for June 1st, 2018. Jerrod Blandino sent a sneak peek at the Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette, featuring the company's original 10 shades in a modern formula and 10 completely new shades inspired by the originals, all in a palette that smells like birthday cake. A fan asked Natasha Denona if she would be coming out with anything for summer. She replied yes, which was soon joined by this shot on Instagram. Intriguing. Tarte is growing its Maracuja lineup. Cosmic Maracuja Concentrated Face Balm is $42 and Maracuja Gold Oil is $50. Both are vegan and cruelty-free and on their site now. Paula's Choice has a month of surprises coming our way starting today. Tomorrow is launch day for MannyMUA's Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. Kylie Cosmetics has 4 new lip kits coming today at 3 p.m. Pacific. And finally, Diva Feva, the latest from Mac and Patrick Starrr, will be online June 4th and in-store June 7th. And we covered this back in April, but the wait is almost over for the launch date. The Aaliyah from Mac collection will premiere in June. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.